Hi there, Simon here. Hope all is well. Bit of a crazy ride on the stock market this week. Lots of uncertainty out there, and as a consequence, fixed rates started rising yesterday. What will happen with them next week? Who knows? And what will happen next week with the Bank of Canada's announcement? Hard to say there as well. I expect we'll see a small drop, or it will stay the same. I would not expect them to raise it at all, but never say never, especially with what's going on right now. I just wanted to remind you of some of the things that I do regularly for realtors, and these are attending open houses. So I come and I spend the day with you and answer mortgage questions as they come in. If it gets busy, I will even answer the door and greet people when you're tied up. I prepare financing sheets quite regularly as well. It's sort of the listing with then what the financing looks like at various down payment levels. I do send out a rate update via text every week. Some realtors take advantage of that. If I can do any of these things for you, please don't hesitate to ask. Or if there's anything else I can assist with, please don't hesitate to ask as well. I'm very happy to provide anything that you need. Have a great weekend. I look forward to seeing you very soon.